Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatargardens, and this is episode 16 in Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something right now, a quick tip that many people don't realize with your compost piles. Here's a little one I'm starting today. Now I'll put it into the big batch. Is when you water it, I don't use tap water. I don't use the city water. If I do, I let it sit out for about 24 to 48 hours to evaporate all the chlorine out of it. This is rainwater, that's the best. But when I water my compost pile, whether it's in a bucket, in a tumbler, which I don't have, or a big pile, I always use water that has been sitting out for a while, or rainwater is the best. You don't want to affect anything. This is a very small ecosystem, and adding that tap water in there, no matter how little bit of chlorine there is, there's still chlorine. It's going to do something detrimental, no matter how small. I don't want it to get affected. I want it to be as hot as possible, 140 plus degrees, and break down the material as fast as possible. And if tap water will slow that down, if it has chlorine, it will. I don't want that. I need to be churning and burning. I have a lot of green material and brown material to go through, and it's only winter. Happy gardening, everyone.